Here we have a 2014 BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the full M Performance styling kit, as you can see by the front splitter, side skirts and some bits at the rear. Coming onto the wheel here, we do have four 20-inch alloy wheels in excellent unmarked, unscratched condition, finished in black with the red calipers just behind. Coming around to the front, you'll see we've got these fantastic looking daytime running lights. If they're flickering on the video, that's just how the camera's picking them up. They're not like that in real life. We've got our kidney grills just there as well. Coming around, we've got our second alloy wheel. Again, excellent condition. Coming up, we've got the carbon lock wing mirrors, caps as well, which look absolutely superb. Really fantastic looking these. Taking a step back, we've got the black trim around the window with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We've got the side skirt at the bottom there, panoramic sunroof on top. We've then got our third alloy wheel. Closer look at that there. Coming up, we've got our spoiler lip. Taking a step back, we do have both front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. We've got our single exit exhaust on the bottom left corner just there, and as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now here's a look at that last alloy wheel. Now if we go on to the interior, we have got a full black Dakota leather interior, which looks absolutely fantastic, as you can see just here. On the doors, we've got our electric wing mirrors. We've got our electric window controls with child lock for the rear. Also got the integrated speakers and additional storage. Stepping inside, we've got our auto lights on the right there. Close the door up, foot on the brake. Start stop button just there. There we go. Now we'll just wait for that. There we go. As you can see, we have covered just over 75,400 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've got the orange triangle just there due to low range, but that's nothing to worry about at all. We've then got our multifunctional steering wheel with different controls for whilst we're on the go, things like speed limiter and cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the gears. We've got our auto wiper stalk on the right there. In the middle, we've got our infotainment screen. On here you'll find things like navigation, which you can see at the moment. We've then got different forms of media connectivity like USB, Bluetooth and auxiliary. We've also got our DAB radio just there as well. Telephone connectivity, so we can connect our phones via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. We've then got different driving modes. We've got things like Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus, so you can pick which one of these modes best suits your driving style at the time, and that will change the driving characteristics of the car for you. If I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got a front and rear visual display of our parking sensors just there. Coming down, we've got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've got our dual zone climate controls just below as well. Both front passengers are treated to heated seats, which work exactly as you would expect. We've also got some nice shortcuts like max air conditioning that'll turn the aircon on full for you, just a touch of a button away. We've got some additional storage down here, two good sized cup holders. We've got our gear stick just here. If you're not familiar with these, we've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then if we flick it across to the left, that'll put us into sport mode / manual mode, and we can actually change gears manually with the gear stick. Then we can go down or up a gear like so. So if you do want to take manual control, you've got the option of using a gear stick or the paddle shifters, whichever you're more comfortable with. Go back into park. We've then got a button for our traction control, our different mode selects, a button for our parking sensors as well. We've then got our control wheel and shortcuts for the infotainment screen, so these are what I've been using to navigate the display there during this demonstration. We've got our soft touch leather armrest as well, which also doubles up as storage. Last but not least, we've got our panoramic sunroof just here, which is currently open. We can close that like so, and as you can see and hear, that's all working exactly as you would expect. We can also close up the cover just there if the sun's in our eyes for whatever reason. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.